Well, hello, welcome to my channel. What is your EDC that you carry on you every day? Well, right here it is. This is just a little bit of it. My solar charger battery banks. I have a little bit of cordage. I have a big old 8 plug block. My everyday watch. My everyday carry keychains, my everyday mirror, chapstick, my new walkie-talkies. Will be a review of these coming soon. Just got them. Really ain't had no chance to play with them. They reach pretty far though. And here's a look at a couple of my pocket knives. Everything you see here is pretty much what I carry on me. These are my survival kits. One's a fire kit, one's a survival kit. This is my survival kit. This one right here is my fire kit, and this is my little pocket fire kit, and these are my pocket fishing kits. This is a little bit overdue on fire starter equipment, but you want to be heavy on fire anyway. You want to be able to make at least 5 different ways of fire, and I got multiple ways doing it here. You see your matches, and we got them big matches. 7 minutes. And then you got your fire tender. You got different other types of matches. You got a whistle. You got your little cheap $5 multi-tool. Candles. 2 books of matches. This is a pretty decent fire kit. I know I would be warm if I ever had to go through something, because I'd have enough right here for a good old fire, at least